You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Biblical name pronunciation. For more names from the Bible that can be confusing, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Alright, so in Hebrew, it is said as Aijalon. Aijalon, okay, but that's not how it's said in English. You'll hear two different pronunciations, Aijalon, Aijalon, or Aijalon. Both are probably correct. Aijalon works or is also used in English, but I would go with Aijalon since it's a bit closer to the Hebrew pronunciation. You could also say Aijalon, and that would also be correct. But let's stick to Aijalon in English, which I think is the most common, the most used, and the most correct pronunciation. Aijalon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.